Like a fool, I let the top and down. But I'm wondering if your love's still there. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Hey, hey. Then that time when I said goodbye. Now I'm back and I won't cry. Ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Hey, here I am, baby. Ooh, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Said I'm yours, girl. Ooh, said I'm yours. Hey, here I am, baby. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Seen a lot of things in this whole world, but when I touch them, they didn't mean nothing, girl. Hey, ooh, baby, here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Said I'm yours, baby. Ooh, said I'm yours. Here I am, baby. Here I am, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Said I'm yours, girl. Ooh, signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Who said I'm yours, girl? Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours. Signed, sealed, delivered. I'm yours.
All right. Let us hear from our judges, starting with Anthony.
You stumbled at the beginning, and I'd like to say you picked yourself up and came back, but it only got worse. There was a problem between the track and your interpretation of that song. Sign Seal Delivered is a Stevie Wonder song that's a funk zone. It's a funky song. That had no funk. That was funk free. So yeah, I don't know. Pity about that. It really was a kind of like a mess.
Conroy.
I feel like I want to do one of the Anthony moments from last week, this week for this song, because it's such a good song and it fits who you are, it fits what you can do. So it means that you didn't do your homework to come here for the show, and that's a little disappointing.
Alaine.
Yes, Casey, I wanted you to sign and seal, deliver yourself to us. But the whole performance was uncertain. It just seemed like you didn't know what you were doing. From the beginning, it was singing French in the first part of the song because you forgot the words. You don't do that. You don't forget the lyrics. You rehearse and you rehearse and you prepare and you prepare. So what that showed to me was a lack of preparation. And as a result of that, your performance was like this instead of here I am. You know, so you have to be prepared, or we're going to get something like that, which is not indicative of what you can give us.
All right, thanks, judges.